If you feel out of breath when you're swimming, it is because you're not breathing at the correct speed. This is one breathing cycle per second. This is one breathing cycle per 2 seconds. I'll keep slowing it down. For me, sitting here, one breath cycle every 20 seconds feels like I am running out of air. If I was walking, even one every 10 seconds would feel uncomfortable. If I was running, it would be faster than that. The faster I want to move, the faster I need to breathe to feel okay. So how fast should you breathe? On land, your body will easily tell you how often it wants to breathe. So automatically you obey it because the rhythm it suggests has worked well enough for you since you first started breathing. In water, everything changes. At some point, your body will ask you to breathe faster, but your face is underwater most of the time. This is when desperation comes. Your body demands oxygen, but the mechanics of the stroke demand slower breathing cycles. We have 3 options. Lower the demand of the body, breathe faster, and breathe more air in total. Let's start with the third, since it is the easiest one. Most people have never even experienced a full 100% capacity inhale. Just to be clear, before we start with the breathing exercises, I'm not telling you that you need to breathe with your lungs at 100% capacity. I just want you to experience what full capacity really means so you can adjust accordingly. Sit down or lay down for this. Take a slow breath, filling your last 2 ribs first. Put your hands on your lower 2 ribs and expand them outwards. Don't expand your upper rib cage yet. Once the lower lungs are full, keep them full and expand the rib cage. You can even lift your arms. Now, without letting air out, cover your nose and start pushing air in with your mouth, like this. Think of it like a stretch for your lungs. Now you know how to breathe more air. Even if you expand your lungs 10% more, you will float better and you will be more relaxed when swimming. So go ahead, take a big breath before you start swimming. If you don't want your technique to feel choppy but smooth, you also need to breathe faster. Doing this exercise while swimming can be chaotic. So let's do it while walking. Walk 4 to 7 steps and take quick breaths. We are trying to fill our lungs as much as possible in less than half a second. You can hum to exhale slowly, hold your breath, or exhale quickly before breathing. If you get lightheaded, it means that you're breathing too fast. This is very similar to how you will breathe while swimming. Try to get used to it on land and then do it in the pool. Finally, the last thing we can do is, before we continue with the video, if you want to improve your flow in the water, the best way we can help is in person. Here are our tour dates for the 2026 swimming camps. You know the drill. Reserve your spot soon or wait another year. Click in the top right corner to find out more or in the link in the description. Finally, the last thing we can do is to lower the demands of the body. We can do 2 things here. Do light to moderate breath holds will increase your tolerance for higher CO2 levels, thus making you more calm even when you're breathing less. Just ask your doctor to make sure this is safe and definitely avoid stronger breath holds if you're pregnant. And the other is to create more capillaries in your system, known as angiogenesis or capillarization. This will make you more efficient at using oxygen in getting rid of CO2. One way to do it is to do weight training. The other is to swim fast, which most of you don't really like. And the other is to swim for longer and longer distances. This is why I left this tip till the end. First, you need to explore your true lung capacity by breathing in a lot of air and expanding your lungs. Then you need to breathe faster, getting used to the rhythm of swimming. Then doing breath holds outside and even light breath holds inside the pool. Once you have done that, you can swim for longer, which will create a more efficient breathing system and will let you stay calmer because you will need less oxygen. to the point where you'll be able to breathe through the nose while swimming. It all becomes a virtual cycle. If you want to join us in doing these exercises with a guided coach, come to one of our swim camps by clicking here. If you want to watch more videos about how to be smoother in the water, click here. See you there. Swim smooth.